Hi, hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The reason behind why I made this video because to share the interview experiences of L&T company. So see the video till then. Don't skip the video so that you don't miss any type of questions that was asked in the interviews. At first, these interview experiences are only for your reference so that you can able to prepare the topics which are mostly repeated in all the interviews. And I can't give the surety that only these questions will ask in your interview. It's completely based on your interviewer. Okay, then without any delay, let's get started. Now I'll share you the first interview experience. The technical interview questions are: first one is, what are all the object oriented programming features? You all know about the answer for this question. That is, there are totally four features for object oriented programming. First one is polymorphism, second one is encapsulation, third one is inheritance, and finally abstraction. Explain all the concepts using an example. Second question is, what is the difference between Java and C++? Some of the differences between C++ and Java are: C++ is platform dependent and Java is platform independent. Second point, you can say C++ supports operator overloading and Java doesn't support operator overloading. And say some of the differences what you know about that. Third question is, what is the difference between C and C++? The main difference between C and C++ is, in C, OOPS features are not supported, but in C++, OOPS features are supported. And fourth question is, what is the difference between C Sharp and C++? Say some of the points about the differences. Next question is, what is a data structure? The simple definition for data structure is, it is a particular way of organizing data in computers so that it can be used very efficiently. Next question is, what is operator loading and polymorphism? Explain the definitions of those. Next question is, what is a copy constructor and what is a class? What is the difference between a structure and a class? What is a primary key? What is the difference between primary key and unique key? What are the advantages of using OOPS? And final one is, what is a recursion? These are all the technical questions of first interview experience. And now I'll share the HR questions for first interview experience. First question is, what do you know about the company, that is L&T? Second question is, how long would you stay with us? Third question is, what makes you choose our company? Fourth one is, mention your strengths and weaknesses. Fifth one is, any questions for the interviewer. This is all about experience one. Now I'll share you the second interview experience. The technical questions are: first one is, write a program to reverse a linker list. Second one is, what conditions are necessary for a deadlock. Third question is, explain the concepts of paging and segmentation. Basically, these concepts are from operating system. And finally, the fourth question is the difference between primary, foreign, candidate, and super key. This question is from database management. And now I'll share you the HR questions for second interview experience. First question is, are you prepared to work hard in the environment we expect you for work? Second question is, what do you know about L&T Infotech and its products? Third question is based on a puzzle. And later the interviewer asks some general questions. This is the interview experience of second person. Now I'll share you the third interview experience. The technical questions are, first one is, what do you mean by constant time complexity? Second one is, what do you mean by hashing? Third one is, write an SQL query to obtain the second highest salary. It means salary is an attribute in a table, that is relation. The final question is, what is the function of DML compiler? The HR questions for this interview is, first one is, who is your role model and why? Second question is what have you done to improve your academic position in last 2 years? Third question is if you were hiring for this position, what qualities would you look for in potential candidate? Final one is do you know anyone who works for us? That means do you know any person currently who are working in that company? Now I'll share you the next interview experience. The technical questions are first one is tell me about yourself. In that introduction, he mentioned that his hobbies is cricket. So that the next question is which format of cricket do you like? Third question is who is your favorite cricket player? He mentioned that Virat Kohli is his favorite cricket player. So next question is why Virat Kohli is your favorite cricket player? He asked some of the questions on cricket. You can see those on screen. Next one is what features do you like to add to WhatsApp? Next one is what is a data structure? I already told the definition for this in previous experiences. Next one is what is a stack? Stack is nothing but a data structure. It is also known as last in first out. We use stack mostly in recursion cases. Next question is how much did you know about the Python language? Next one is do you know any trending technologies? He mentioned some of the technologies, and next he asked did you do any courses on those technologies? Next question is tell me about the file storage and data storage. And at last he asked any questions do you like to ask me? Now I'll share you the HR questions. First one is tell me about yourself. Second one is what is the most challenging moment in your life? Third question is mention 3 qualities to be a successful engineer. Fourth question is what one quality you want to improve in yourself. Fifth question is what was your essay topic? Because in last year on an assessment, essay topic is also included as one section. So that he has asked. Next question is can you summarize your essay? Next one is why do you want to join in L&T? Next one is are you flexible for relocation, night shift and bond etc. Next one is are you sure that you are satisfying all the eligibility criteria? At last the final one is there something that I should know? These are all the HR questions. Until now I have shared 4 experiences for L&T. As I said before, only these experiences are reference purpose. Hope it is useful. If you like the video, please like the video and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment me down or else post that question in our Telegram group. Link provided in the description. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.